What if learning could be easier, faster, and fully digital without you carrying heavy textbooks around or wasting time printing and photocopying like you're in way back? Say hello to Madumo LMS, your ultimate digital learning companion. Today, I'll be telling you the benefits of using Madumo as a student. One of the benefits you will get using Madumo as a student is instant access to assessment results and transcripts. Secondly, you can easily buy or rent books anywhere. No more printing hassles. You have a fully digital learning experience at your fingertips. No more heavy textbooks. Just study anywhere, anytime. No more waiting in long lines for your results or transcripts. Everything is just a click away. If you need textbooks, you can rent or buy it on Madumo. Cheaper, faster, and stress-free. The future of education is here, and it's called Madumo LMS. Don't get left behind. Sign up today and step into a future of education.